ready to leave where we belong, with hearts of courage, minds so bright.
The brass band we're going to present before you is comprised of 31 instrumentalists, the one and only in Kashmir and the first ever in Kashmir Valley.
ओके थैंक यू चलो आइए
We have 3 people who constantly monitor the footage of the classrooms, the corridors, the playgrounds, so that each and every child is safe and secure.
Excellent. We appreciate it.
All our buses are equipped with high definition cameras. So whenever the students are in the bus, we make sure that 2 people are monitoring all the buses. There will be around 60 buses here in the school. All of them are.
Which one brings you?
We warmly welcome you to this prestigious investiture ceremony of SRM Welkin Higher Secondary School, Sopore. The investiture ceremony we will witness today is not just about power or formality, but it is about responsibility and the real base for leadership takes its roots.
Today's investiture ceremony is not about holding positions or badges. It's all about trust being placed, responsibilities being accepted, and a promise being made that we will not lead by power, but by example.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيम
पनाह मांगती हूँ मैं अल्लाह की शैतानी मरदूद से।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम
शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और निहायत रहम करने वाला है।
वहुवल्लज़ी जअल लकुम खलाइफल अर्दि वरफ़अ बअदकुम फ़ौक़ बअदिन दरजात।
और वही है जिसने जमीन में तुम्हें नाइब किया और तुम में एक को दूसरे पर दर्जू बुलंदी दी।
أسألك يا من هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الرحمن الرحيم الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار. We now proceed towards the Harmala ceremony, a beautiful tradition symbolizing honor, respect and good wishes for our young leaders.
Dear audience, before we dive into the official unveiling of our new school logo, it is worth mention that our ex-student named Kanis Fatima, a proud alumni of our school, who has designed our official school logo. She is currently a visual designer working on creating different brand identities across different industries and sectors. Thank you, ma'am. More power to your creativity. I now invite Ma'am Kanis Fatima on stage to please receive a token of appreciation and love from our side.
I'm Rajas Lukman, alumni of grade 1. I'm proud Wilkinian. Wilkin means sky, but we are told the sky is not the limit. I'm here to tell you a bit about the new officer logo. Since we have completed 25 years, change becomes necessary. The open book symbolizes knowledge, learning, and intellectual growth. In closing, it is a shield that reflects strength, individuality, and responsibility. Rising from the center, the radiant star that means excellence and achievement. Together, these elements make the letter W, embodying the identity of Wilkin learners with character and knowledge.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate the values and vision represented by our new school logo, now we move on to another significant part of today's event, that is the badge and sash ceremony. But before that, I would like to clarify that badges and sashes aren't just pieces of cloth and metal, but they are the symbols worn with pride. They represent responsibility, leadership, dedication, and trust that our school has placed in these students.
Today we witness two milestones in our journey. One is unveiling of our school logo after 25 years and another is the student council. So here in Welkin, sir, I would like to say that our the student body which are selected, it's completely a systematic and democratic manner. So with great pride and pleasure, we would like to start School President Sunan Sahab.
We stand together,
Pirzada Haddad, head boy.
ready to lead where we belong. With hearts of courage, minds so bright, we'll guide our school
Mohammad Aleem, sports head boy.
toward the light. A badge of honor, a promise we make.
Kafil,
Serve with
the discipline head
integrity
boy.
every step we take. Rise and lead, let your spirit
Mohammad Afan
shine.
Rothar, primary school leader.
Our star will always climb.
Raja Hamad, deputy head boy.
We stand together, proud and strong, ready to lead where we belong.
Zubair Mushtaq, deputy sports head
Hearts
boy.
of courage, minds so bright, we'll guide our school toward the light. A
Azam
badge of
Sameem,
honor,
student PRO.
promise we make to serve with integrity every step we take.
Head
Rise
girl
and lead,
Zehra Javed.
let your spirit shine. SRM Welkin, our star will always climb.
Fazilat Maqsood, sports head girl.
We stand together, proud and strong.
Rahat Ruh, discipline head girl.
Ready to lead where we belong.
Sweba, deputy head girl.
Hearts of courage, minds so bright, we'll guide our school toward
Anam
the
Tahim,
light.
high school leader.
A badge of honor, a promise we make to serve with integrity every step we
Saeed
take.
Arban, middle school leader.
Rise and lead, let your spirit shine. SRM Welkin,
Mehreen
our
Jan,
star
deputy
will
sports
always
head girl.
climb.
Iram Hafiz, activities head.
We stand together, proud
Mariam Mushtaq, event organizer.
We belong with hearts of courage, minds so bright. We'll
Aruba
guide
Zargar,
our school
eco warrior.
toward the light. A badge of honor, a promise we make.
I solemnly troth
I solemnly troth
to be conscientious
to be conscientious
and limpid leader
and limpid leader,
and serve and suffice my school
and serve and suffice my school
with constancy
with constancy
and assiduity.
and assiduity.
I promise to be impartial
I promise to be impartial
and fair to all.
and fair to all.
Succor my comrades,
Succor my comrades,
act as true envoy
act as true envoy
of our cardinal values
of our cardinal values
and about threats
and about texts
and codes of my school.
and codes of my school.
Every institution possesses a spirit that unites its members with pride and devotion, and that spirit finds its voice through its anthem.
An anthem isn't just a song we raise, it is our school's honor, pride, and praise.
ऐसी तर्ज मोहब्बत आम करो, एलिमस मज हासिल नाम करो। ऐसी तर्ज मोहब्बत आम करो, एलिमस मज हासिल नाम करो। ऐसे दिल के नामिन प्याल मजा, ऐसे दिल के नामिन प्याल मज जामरो इखलासन हुन किरदारन हुन तलकिंच अमीन बहारन हुन इखलासन हुन किरदारन हुन तलकिंच अमीन बहारन हुन अंबर तब नूर मीनारन हुन तलकिंच अमीन बहारन हुन तलकिंच अमीन बहारन हुन।
We do not welcome our guests by boarding them to hear to a big and boring welcome speech. Instead of that, we use the language of love and kindness. We show our gratitude and love on the faces of little stars. Yes, I mean a welcome dance.
So, ladies and gentlemen, hold your smile because the cutest performers of the event are gonna come here and make this event even more special. So, what are you waiting for? Put your hands together for our little stars of grade UKG. They're gonna come here and perform a wonderful welcome dance.
I hope you
Yes, their coordination and feet movement was excellent. It kept everyone on toes.
Kashmiri medley. Have you ever heard about a mashup that will make you feel a little Kashmiri?
Yes, I also feel the urge to hear some Kashmiri lyrics, which will lift everyone's mood.
For the same, my call goes to a group of our talented singers on the stage. Please give it up for them.
करे खुशबा आहिस्ता 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 मदन वायो कुन कदम आहिस्ता 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 दिलबरो में दिलस आगा गलई अबलई जाने दीदार सर अबलई मिटार दीदार सर मलाल त्रवित सालिकना प्याल मस्की करे हलालो ख्याल जाने मैं दिल से पोषण माल पोषण करे हलालो मलाल करे सालिकना प्याल मस्की करे हलालो
Thank you, singers and in charge Talib sir, for their breathtaking performance. The music was loud, soothing, and touching. I am sure it would have kept everyone on move. Now, this program is getting on its groove. It's time for dance.
चलाओ ना नैनों से बाण रे जान ले लो ना जान रे जान ले लो ना जान रे कहीं निकल न जाए कहीं निकल न जाए कहीं निकल न जाए कहीं निकल न जाए हमारी बॉडी से हमारी बॉडी से हमारी बॉडी से प्राण रे हमारी बॉडी से प्राण रे बड़ी चली जो की चिंगारी छोटी चिंगारी भरी 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 है मन की अलमारी आधी अलमारी हुई सतरंगी सारी सतरंगी हुई सतरंगी थी जो ये रात काली
warmed up after that one. Yeah, that wasn't just a performance, that was a full-on vibe shift.
Honestly, big appreciation to these boys. Because they did not just dance, they set the vibe for all of us.
Effort, confidence, and pure fun. That combo really showed.
Thank you so much for your performance. You really made it memorable in the best way.
Let's hear it for them.
A big round of applause. So, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's bring the energy to the stage.
Please put your hands together for our aerobics performers.
Look at them owning the stage. Not a single word spoken. Yet they have got all of us paying attention.
That's because Krira doesn't always need a voice. It just needs expressions.
I'm curious. How many of you guessed the story already?
Shh! Don't shout it out. Let's see if your predictions are correct by the end.
Honestly, if emotions had a language, I think mime would be one of the best forms of it.
And our performers are proving that perfectly right now. One thing's for sure.
What's that?
Nobody is looking at your phones right now.
Wow, that is the best kind of compliment performers these days can receive. Dear audience, each moment on this stage has a meaning.
And each scene leaves us wondering what comes next. That's what makes it so exciting.
They literally said, no superheroes, just people helping people.
Exactly. Okay, who needs expression? Who needs dialogues when you've got expressions like these? Give them some love, everyone.
One letter alone has little meaning, but when each one comes together like a team, it creates something powerful. And there it is, teamwork. Not just a word, but a bond that turns one into many.
Come on, audience. If you're enjoying their performances, let them hear you.
Thank you, mime team. Sometimes you need to understand through gestures. While watching this performance, you all might have got the idea of how important teamwork is. Warm greetings again. It has been a wonderful show up till now. Yes, we witnessed some mesmerizing performances. We are here to take you forward to another beautiful program, Unity Dance. Hold your breath. For that, my call goes to learners of different grades.
जीप सवा लख दी मैं नचदी मैं नचदी मैं नचदी मैं नचदी बैठी लंब विच लंबी गुट करके नीली अख ते ब्लैक शेड करके टिक्का सोना चमके नी लाजवाब ने रंग चोरी किता गल्ला तो गुलाब ने ओ की तार दे गरीब मेरे नचदी चल रोक दे जब नचदी मेरे कट दे जब हंसदी बैठी जीप सवा लख दी मैं नचदी मैं नचदी मैं नचदी मैं नचदी छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा
The base of the pyramid is being formed. Come on, audience, let's encourage them. Everyone together. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh wow! Things are getting serious now. The students at the bottom deserve a special cheer because they are carrying the whole team, just like our teachers carry us through exams. This reminds us that success is built step by step, just like the pyramid. And every person plays an important role, no matter where they stand. Look at the trust, look at the focus, look at the confidence. They are literally owning the stage.
मैम SRM वेलकन की मैनेजमेंट, उनके स्टाफ को जो नया स्टूडेंट बैंड तश्कील दिया है आपने, उस पे मुबारकबाद कहता हूं। सोपुर के लिए ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि ऑलरेडी एक स्कूल का बैंड रिपब्लिक डे जो इवेंट होगा दिल्ली में, उसके लिए उसको मधु किया है, उसकी सिलेक्शन भी हुई है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि वेलकिन का बैंड भी नेक्स्ट ईयर हमें दिल्ली में रिप्रेजेंट करेगा। उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स थे और उनके इंस्ट्रक्टर्स थे, उन सबको मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत मुबारक। आज का ये प्रोग्राम, इसमें 2 इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स थे जो ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए यहाँ। एक अनवीलिंग ऑफ लोगो किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूशन का सिर्फ एक डिज़ाइन या एक शक्ल या एक तस्वीर नहीं होती। ये लोगों इस इंस्टीट्यूशन की जो आइडियोलॉजी है, जो इनको फ्यूचर में करना है, जो इनकी पॉलिसीज हैं, वो सब इस लोगों में दर्शाई गई हैं। आने वाले साल में, आने वाले वक्त में ये लोगों आपकी पहचान होगी, उसके लिए भी मैं मुबारकबाद कहता हूँ। मेरी जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स जिनको नई जिम्मेदारियां मिली हैं, उनसे यही गुजारिश है कि आप लीडर बन के दिखाएं, आप लीड करें। लीडर सिर्फ वही नहीं है जो सामने खड़ा हो और हुक्म दे। लीडर वो है जो अपने किरदार से, अपने कामकाज से, अपने बिहेवियर से सबको लीड करे। मुझे उम्मीद है कि जो आज को आपको नई जिम्मेदारियां दी गई हैं, आप उसमें सभी स्टूडेंट्स को लीड करेंगे, उनके लिए मिसाल बनेंगे।
मेरे दोस्त इफ्तिखार साहब ने बता दी, मैं सारे उनको एंडोर्स कर रहा हूँ। जैसे आपने अभी लोगों इनवील किया है, अंडर दिस इनिशिएटिव आपने नए नए लीडर्स हर क्लास हर रोल में आपने आज ही इलेक्ट किए हुए हैं। एंड आफ्टर द ऑल प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर आज उन्हें शायद कुछ लेटर्स इशू किए होंगे। एंड मैं थोड़ा लेट है बिकॉज आज हमारा कोर्ट रहता है, कोर्ट की वजह से मैं यहाँ टाइम पे नहीं आ पाया, उसके लिए मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ। बट ये बताना ज़रूर चाहूँगा कि इस स्कूल में आने के लिए मैं कोई बहाना चाहता हूँ। अदरवाइज भी मुझे याद है आज से 2-3 साल पहले जब मैं पहली बार यहाँ आया था, तो मैंने यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स का सैलाब देखा। उस टाइम मैं पहली बार 4-5 हज़ार ऑडियंस के सामने कुछ जब मैं बोलना था कुछ, तो मुझे लगा वाकई कि स्कूल किस पोजीशन पे पहुँच गया। ये नॉर्मली स्कूल ऐसे नहीं पहुँचते हैं, ये इसके पीछे काफ़ी बहुत बड़ी जदोजहद है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत है, बहुत ज़्यादा डिटर्मिनेशन है। ये डिटर्मिनेशन मुझे लग रहा है जो मैं आज देख रहा हूँ पिछले 2-3 साल से, वाकई जो इसकी मैनेजमेंट है ये वाकई काबिल दाद है। इनको जितना अप्रिशिएट करे उतना कम है। हर कोई स्कूल को इस लिहाज से देख रहा है कि देयर आर 2 फेस ऑफ ए स्कूल। One phase is that it may carry the business so that one could earn for his survival and for the future and upcoming of their जो भी इनके बच्चे वागे जो भी है। But at the same time I could take it differently. The institution हमें वो तैयार कर रहे हैं जो हमें दूसरी जगह पे तैयार नहीं होते हैं।
मैं यहाँ पर आज जो अनवेलिंग जो ऑफिशियल लोगो और जो ये टीम यहां पर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हुई, इन्वेस्टिचर सेरेमनी, इस मौके पे मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा कि जो एसआरएम वेल्किन स्कूल मैनेजमेंट और जो भी इसमें वाबस्ता लोग हैं, इन सबको मुबारकबाद। और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो ये लोगो हमारी कनीज फातिमा, शायद ये लतीफ साहब की बेटी, इन्होंने और जुल्कर ने जिस तरीके से हमें एक्सप्लेन किया, इट मीन्स अ लॉट। इट इज ए एम्बॉडीमेंट, what we are given to understand, embodiment of a responsibility, excellence, knowledge, intellect. We hope it is given a real, it is translated into the reality. It will be an achievement. मैं जब भी occasionally वेल्किन स्टूडेंट्स, इनके असातिज़ा, इनसे बात करते हैं, आई फील हमारे वागुरा से एक अपनी बच्ची है सईद अरीना, तो जब भी इंटरेक्शन उनसे होती है बाकी बच्चों से ओकेजनली, आई फील बिस्मा जी यू डिजर्व, आप मुबारकबादी के मुस्तहक है। वी विश यू कीप इट अप।
ये हमारे लिए खुशी की बात है कि जितने भी बड़े बड़े इदारे हैं, चाहे वो एजुकेशन के मामले में हो, चाहे वो ट्रेड के मामले में हो, चाहे वो हॉर्टिकल्चर के मामले में हो, Sopore has the honor to represent every form. We represent every institution, every trade, every kind of we represent everything in Kashmir. We are the leaders, we are the number one. So being a number one, I hope whenever there is a call taken on private societies, you will definitely have support me for that. और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि SRM वेल्किन को दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करे और जो बच्चे यहाँ सोपोर के स्कूलों से इदारों से पढ़ के निकले वो भी तरक्की करें और विद दिस आई थैंक SRM वेल्किन चेयरमैन मिस्टर इनायतुल्लाह हाजनी साहब। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि वो आगे आने वाले वक्त में भी हमें मौका देंगे और हमें बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने का और इन प्रोग्राम में शामिल होने का पूरा मौका मिलेगा। और मैं लोग सोपोर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में आज दोनों लोग यहाँ पे हैं, ADC सोपोर और तहसीलदार सोपोर, और दे हैव नेवर लेट मी डाउन। इन्होंने पूरा सपोर्ट मेरा किया है जो भी सोपोर की डेवलपमेंट्स में, सोपोर के प्रोजेक्ट्स में, और आई एम थैंकफुल टू देम। शायद मुझे कभी मौका नहीं मिला या ये दोनों साथ कहीं नहीं बैठे थे तो आज ये यहाँ पे बैठे हैं। थैंक यू ADC साहब, थैंक यू तहसीलदार साहब, थैंक यू सपोर्टिंग मी। और आई थैंक एवरीबडी, आई थैंक इनायत साहब, थैंक यू एवरीबडी, थैंक्स चिल्ड्रन, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, गॉड ब्लेस यू, स्टे ब्लेस्ड, थैंक यू।
Very briefly, I will not take much of your time, but briefly I would just want to say few important things. One main important thing is that Alhamdulillah we have completed our 25 years of excellence here in Welkin. The inception of this institution was done in the month of November 2020 and I officially joined it in the month of August 2005. So I complete my 20 years and Welkin completes its 25 years. And I would like to thank every individual who has been part and parcel for the success of this institution. The parent community, the students and my pillars, my staff. Thank you one and all. Briefly, I would like to just reply to few of the queries which you had raised here. One was regarding academics, you are satisfied, extracurricular activities, you are satisfied. But sir, one thing I would like to assure all of you that our campus is Alhamdulillah 24/7 under surveillance, because of which regular monitoring of bags, checking of bags is done, wherein we do not find any untoward object which a student should not carry inside the school or outside the school. Regular bag checking is done. Another thing we are proud of, we do not have canteen in the campus. So our kids are not used to carrying money and buying things and on pretext of an ice cream, chewing gum or anything like that. So we don't support the canteen system. But we have a lot of suggestions and requests coming in from our staff as well as our students. So maybe in future we may, but I would vouch for it that it would be completely a healthy one, no junk, right? I would also like to mention here that we have been recently granted the affiliation of CBSE and we are the first indigenous CBSE school in district, not only Baramulla, in north of Kashmir. When I say indigenous, it means homegrown school and not a franchisee based school. Okay. Regarding languages, sir, Kashmiri is being taught in the campus, but also with CBSE getting an R1, R2, R3, it's compulsory for our students to take up Kashmiri as a subject. Because till now what used to happen with JK Bose, it was mandatory only till grade 8 and then students used to take it very lightly. But now they have to face for the board examination in grade 10, so they are going to be a little serious about it. Okay, and Now, there's a special moment in our history of Welkin. If I would request my media team, the Sopor media team, to please move away for a while. I would like to welcome Ma'am Rifat here. Ma'am Rifat, I would request my teachers to please stand up, and my students, teachers and students of Welkin, please stand up. Ma'am Rifat, please come over. Ma'am Rifat has joined Welkin in the year 2001, and Ma'am Rifat, we'll be bidding goodbye to her now in the year 2026. My heartfelt gratitude to her for her contribution in making Welkin what it is. As we come to the close of this wonderful and inspiring official logo unveiling and investiture ceremony, it's my proud privilege to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those whose presence and support have made this occasion truly memorable. On behalf of entire school management, faculty members and students, I extend our deepest appreciation to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Irshad Rasool Kar, Honorable MLA Sopor, for graciously accepting our invitation and honoring us with his presence. We are truly grateful for the time you have spent with us today and for your encouraging words that have inspired our young leaders. I would also like to convey our sincere thanks to our distinguished guests of honor, Mr. Irfan Hafiz Loan, MLA Bagura, Mr. Iftikhar Talib, SSP Sopor, Mr. Shabir Ahmed Raina, ADC Sopor, Mr. Sheikh Tariq, Tehsildar Sopor, Ma'am Masarat Kar, ex-chairperson MC Sopor, Lieutenant Colonel Shilesh Pandey, other members of Police Department, other members of Fruit Mandi, Civil Society, President Traders Federation, Haji Muhammad Ashraf Ganai Sahab, Media Fraternity, Legal Community, Javed Ahmed Bhatt Sahab and other guests. Your presence have added grace and dignity to this ceremony.